Living in Australia in the 21st century usually means less outdoor space and lots of walls. Now, how can we create beautiful and productive gardens using this vertical space? One answer is a brand spanking new hanging garden platform from Holman. It's called the GreenWall. Now, how does it work? Stainless steel mounting brackets ensure a firm grip on a wall using draw plugs and screws supplied. The module hangs securely off this frame. Now, there's a bit of play here. As you can see, I'm moving it from left to right. Position it in the middle so that you can add other modules on easily. The individual pots just slot into that holder, and each one has got a little mat inside, and the idea of that is to stop all the dirt blocking the drains. Now, each pot is supplied by a pre-installed pressure compensating dripper. Now, pressure compensating essentially means that each one of these pots is going to get exactly the same amount of water. Now, the water can drain from the top pot to this one, and if you want to make the best value out of that water, you can add additional modules underneath so that they all get their bit. Alternatively, you can click on this little drain at the bottom here and attach a hose to take that drainage water away from that individual unit. What to plant? Look, the possibilities are endless. First up, I'm going to set up a herb garden. Now, you can pick up these herbs just the right size from your local Bunnings store and literally just pop them into the pot, add a bit of good quality potting mix, and they're ready to hang straight onto your wall. Right, well, there's thyme and lemongrass to add to my collection. So it's simply a matter of just slotting those into the spot like that, and just give that a bit of a twist from left to right, like that. Now, you'll notice that each of the drippers comes with a little tail, and the idea with that is to push it right into the centre of the pot to make sure that the irrigation distributes that water evenly right throughout the pot. Here we go, a little bit of a fluff and whatever, and that's all ready to grow. So how do you get water into the system? Well, firstly, you take this double-sided connector which comes in the kit, and you push that into one of 4 locations, either side, top or bottom. So push that in first, you can hear the click, and then click your hose on, and now that's ready to go. So turn the tap on and you're in business. Because of our dry climate and the relatively small size of these pots, the critical thing is that water is applied a little and often. Now, the perfect way to make that happen is to actually automate the whole system by this new misting or interval timer. In our next instalment, I'm going to show you how to set up this misting interval timer, as well as how you can add additional modules, both to the sides, top and bottom, to turn this into an absolute living wall of glorious colour.